Hello everyone, Torras just sent over 3 different phone cases for the iPhone 13 Pro. So this is the Torras clear case cover, and then this one is the Torras Shockproof case, and this one is the Torras Slim Fit case. So in today's video, let's just quickly unbox them, try it on, and see how it looks. Because they also sent me a dummy iPhone 13 Pro, and thanks for this because I don't own an iPhone. So let's start off by taking a look at this one first. Again, this is the Torras crystal clear cover, and let's just open it up. Oh, I just realized they're saying this is 10 years plus concentration. Not quite understanding what it means, but okay. So opening up, we got the big Torras logo here, and what we have here is just the case itself. Why do you need to wrap a plastic for your phone? Anyway, this is the case itself, pretty flexible, real nice, a big cutout, so I presume you can even use this for the iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 13. So let's just put it in. Looks real nice, it's clear case after all. It's a really high quality TPU, by the way. All of the openings are also really nice, as you can see here. Volume buttons, yep, they feel real nice to press. The mute slider is also easily accessible, and of course power button, yep, everything is fine. And I mean, the cutouts are real nice on this case. Let me just focus. Yep, there you go. Cutouts are nice, everything is wrapped in really nicely, and there's a huge lip around the camera bump here to protect the cameras from scratching, which is really nice. So that is the Torras clear case for the iPhone 13 Pro. Yep. Next up is this one. This is the Torras Shockproof case for the iPhone 13 Pro. Let's just open up. Okay, this one has a bit more instructions, I guess. Oh, okay, so you can change the color of the buttons if you want to. This is a very Mountain Dew-ish kind of green-yellow color. This is in bright orange. Okay, let's just open it up, see how it goes. Okay, so this case is really nice to touch. It's really smooth, and the buttons that are pre-installed here is black in color. All of them are black, and again, you can change them if you want to, and I presume you just pop them off. Yep, you can pop them off real easy, and then you can change to the 2 colors that you want. So let's put it inside the dummy iPhone 13 Pro. Wow, this is really hazy looking, and again, you have a huge lip around the camera to prevent any damages towards your really expensive camera phone. And the buttons, yep, they feel amazing. Oh, it's funny though, because dummy units, they do have operational buttons so that you can test them out properly with your case. And then power button is also amazing. So the ports, cutouts, focus. Yep, they're also really nicely cut out. I mean, it's also a bit deep, so if you're using some aftermarket lightning cables that are a bit huge here, maybe it will be obstructed, but overall, I wouldn't think that's an issue. And that is the Torras Shockproof case for the iPhone 13 Pro. Now, moving on to the final case here is the Torras Slim Fit case for the iPhone 13 Pro. So opening up, this one is very minimalist in terms of packaging. Again, you only get the phone case. You don't get the plastic foam like the TPU case from earlier. What? Anyway, this is a really nice hard shell case. As you can see, it's really thin. It's just a layer of material over your phone. It's also really nice to touch. The same texture like this case here. Yeah, they both feel amazing to touch actually. And overall, I would say this case is probably gonna be the simplest of all, and if you prefer slip cases, this one might be for you. So we have our dummy phone, snap it in, and there you go. Again, you got a nice slip protection around the camera cutout here, and then the cutouts for all the buttons, they are also nicely designed. Zoom in for you guys to see. As you can see here, this kind of lining gap here is because they are only made out of a single piece of material. So yeah, if you do it like this, then the material can bend. Same goes to the power button as well. This one might be a bit dangerous because if you have anything going inside this part and then if you pull it, yeah, your power button might get damaged. And then looking at the bottom part here, we have a really simple cutout for all the three things at the bottom here, microphone and speaker port. This case is really thin. I mean, some people might like it. So here you go. This is the Torras Slim Fit case. And there you go. These are all the three cases from Torras. I'll leave all the information on the screen here or down in the description below together with all of the purchase links. And we get a small kickback for every purchase that you make. So thanks for your support. Remember to subscribe and we'll see you guys in the next video.